In this quick start tutorial, we'll be taking a look at the delays you might experience during playback. Working with music takes a lot of processing power. You might find that because of the processing requirements, there may be some delays when you listen. This is called latency. If you reduce your hardware buffer size, you reduce the latency. However, reducing this limits how many tracks you can record and the number of plugins you can use. To set your hardware buffer size, select Setup and Playback Engine. Let me drag the Playback Engine window into my viewer. Now, choose the number of samples from this drop-down menu. Mine's set at 512. I can choose a lower hardware buffer size, down to 128. But watch out for this, because some CPUs may not be able to support such a low buffer size without encountering some performance errors. Click OK when you're finished. And this concludes our quick start tutorial on controlling delay during your monitoring.